Hi, welcome back to my page. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about text manipulation. Before I go further, last time we talked about comparison, and I'm still using the same database, the same file to explain what text manipulation is all about. So if you want to practice alongside with me and you need the files, you can DM me, follow me, and send me a DM. I will send you a link to which you can use to download the files and practice at your end. So in today's video, we are talking about text manipulation, and it simply means using functions to change, clean, or format text or data stored in database. So we use it to manipulate the database information. All right, we have examples of them. We have concat. Concat is used to combine two words together, to combine text together. Then under substring, substring is used to extract some parts of this text. Like if the text is too long, you're going to use to extract some part of it. And moreover, I will do examples. I will have a real life example we're going to solve using all of this. Then the length is used to get the length of a word. We have upper and lower. It's used to convert the text into small letter and capital letter. So the length would give us the number of character in that word. Then trim is used to remove a white space, and replace is you can use it to replace a word or words that you no longer use, you no longer want in your database. So before we go further to solving this problem, please follow me, and subscribe to my page, and not get skipping anything. I'm teaching you all that you need to know in this journey of data analysis. So remember the last time we imported some data to our database. We imported Airbnb listing, reviews, and other tables into our database, and we are going to still use those tables to solve this problem. So the first question under text manipulation is that we are going to find out, or we're going to combine the name and the neighborhood column into a single string, then use dash as the delimiter. Now what this question is going to tell, what we are going to be solving here is that we are going to combine the name and the neighborhood column together. Then in between the name and the column, we are going to use dash as example. So when you want to combine two text together, we are going to be using a function key called concat. In Excel, we can call it concatenation. So we are going to use the word concat to combine the name and the neighborhood together. So let's do this. I will write select concat, then I'll open my bracket and put the name column. I'm going to select name column. Then in between the name, remember we are putting a hyphen, a dash, then the neighborhood. Hope I'm getting the spelling correct. Yeah. Then close the bracket. From okay, when I list it, I want it to be as, let me give it the column as a name, as listing info. Okay, then from Airbnb listing 2. So I'm going to run this, and I guess we're going to get the right answer. Good. Can you see that I have combined the listing info here, the far private cattle, this, then hyphen Wallingford is this is the name and this is the neighborhood. So you can see the hyphen I used to combine it. So with the help of concat, this word, with the help of this word, this command, I've been able to combine two columns together. I hope that is clear. So let's move to the next question. They say if you extract the first 10 characters of the name, looking at this name, you see that it's a very long name. So we want to just limit it to 10 characters. And with that, we're going to be using length. So first of all, I'll write my select. Okay, the first character, we're using substring, sorry. Substrings. I'll open a bracket and put the name. Starting from the first character, give me the first 10. That's what this question is all about. So from name, first character, then 10 words. Alright, as short name, short underscore name. Okay, from Airbnb listing. Okay, so let's see if I can get the first 10 characters. Good. Can you see that those long name has been shortened to just 10 characters? So that is the function of a substring. All right. So the next question, we are going to find the length. This is where we are going to use the length function. So we are going to say to find the length of each reviewer's name in A, B, and B reviewers table. So we are using select again. What are we selecting now? We're selecting reviewer's name, reviewer underscore name, comma, then the length. Open a bracket. What length are we still gonna look at? The reviewer underscore name. Hope I'm getting the spelling correct. Okay, I'll close the bracket. As we're going to give it the column name as a name length from A, B, and B review 2, because we're talking about reviewer's name. So let's run this. Good. Can you see now? It has given us the length. The length is, if you look at this reviewer's name, is Vivian. If you count it, it's 6 in number. Elliot is 7, and so on. So that is the function of the length function. All right, this function here, that was what helped us to get the number of the characters we have in their name. So number 4 is to convert our reviewer's name to uppercase. We're going to convert it to uppercase. All right, so let me select all. No, not select, or select upper. Open a bracket. I'm going to fix reviewer name underscore name. I'll close the bracket as I'll give the heading a name as the upper name. Let me just put it like this. From Airbnb review 2. Good. If my spelling of name is not correct, okay. Let's see. Okay, it's corrected now. So I'll run this and let me see. Good. Can you see the Vivian we saw last was in small letter, but now we are having them in capital letter. So that's what the upper character does for us. So let's do the final example, which is a final solution, the final problem solving. You say if you replace all occurrences of R and with unit in the row type column. But for us to notice this correction, let me just select all from A, B, and B review, so that when I run when I solve this particular question, we are going to see the difference. So can you see? No, from not review too. We're looking at a listing. Sorry, it's not list A, B, and B underscore listing, so that will show you what I'm referring to. So if I run this, okay, and we continue. If I run this, what is happening? Josie, let me see. Okay, what I was typing wasn't here. And select all. So let's run this. Execute. Okay, let's see the apartment. Can you see that in this room type? Look at the room type here. We are seeing app, home slash apartment. So the question here is that we should change this app to unit. So that's what we want to solve. So I wanted you to see this before I go to the solution. So having seen that, so let's solve it. We're going to select the ID. Okay. Also select, then we'll replace, open a bracket. What are we replacing? We are replacing room type, room underscore type, comma, then the app, put in a quote, comma, into what are we replacing it with? Put in a quote, we are replacing with units. Okay, close the bracket. Okay, close the bracket. We'll add Replace room type from listing 2. Okay, let's go. Why is this having, why is it repeating itself? Let's see. Good. Can you see that we have converted those up into units? All right, so thank you for watching to the end. I think we have understood how to manipulate text in SQL. Like and follow for more in my next video. And if you need this file and you want to use it to practice what you have learned, kindly send me a DM. Follow me, send me a DM so that I can send it to you for you to practice with. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye.